Hi all, this riff is from the song called Run to You by Bryan. So to play this riff we need a capo on the second fret. Using capo on the second fret we have E minor 7 chord. So if you just know E minor chord, which is having both the fingers on the 5th string and 4th string on the second fret. So you have to just lift the ring finger. So we just hold the 5th string 2nd fret here. Using that we pluck 6 5 4 6 5 4 5 6 on the right hand. So 6 5 4 6 5 4 5 6. So if you just get this on the right hand, then it is almost done with the riff. So next we have to just add a ring finger on the 3rd fret of 6th string. That makes a G, and we just pluck 6 5 4 and we just move this G shape to the 5th fret related to capo. So we pluck now 6 5 4 5 6. So same shape, you just got to move 2 frets up. So we play 6 5 4 and we move next and we play 6 5 4 5 6. So together.